A very good morning to all of you. So, today we are going to talk about a specific topic and it is very interesting. The topic name is sprouts. The health expert have time and again recommended sprouts for their health benefits. It is said to contain high fiber, vitamin, protein, and minerals, which have a very positive impact in our metabolic activities. It is specially recommended to those who want to reduce weight and prefer a low calorie diet. Since it is consumed mostly raw, cleanliness is very important. So we can make a healthy sprouts at home. It is highly recommended by the nutritionist to include sprouts in our daily diet, especially at breakfast. Through easy process, we are going to see that how to make sprouts at home. So let's do step by step process. First process is we will take at least 1 cup of green gram, which is also known as hari moong in Hindi, and 2 cups of black gram, which is known as kale chane in Hindi. Separately, we can also take any one items from these. We will wash them thoroughly 3 to 4 times in a clean water to remove dust or any other unwanted ingredients from them. Now, in the third step, we will soak and cover them in a clean water and leave them overnight. The container in which we soak the pulses should be cleaned properly. Next step, next day morning, we will find the pulses have swollen up. After that, we will take 2 pieces of clean cotton cloth you can take and soak in water. Water should be clean. Squeeze excess water. Spread and transfer the swollen grams separately on the cloth and tie them. Next step, we will keep in a container at the room temperature and cover these things with a lid. The container should be such that water does not stagnate at the bottom. The cotton cloth should remain damp or wet. If it dries up, sprinkle some water to make them it again wet. The sprouts started coming within a 5 to 6 hours. If you want longer sprouts, you can keep it for a longer time. In the warm season, the sprouts come faster as compared to the cold season. Once it is germinated, the sprouts can be preserved in a container in the refrigerator. They can last for 4 to 5 days comfortably. So hope you will try this activity at your home and you will eat healthy food. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you all.